RGHV, it's Raka.
Haha, it's so much fun. But something missing, guys. I don't know what it is. That's right, this is what it's missing. I always wanted to have a big, super realistic rally car, but I want to make it super realistic by adding this sound kit. I bought this speaker or the sound kit for $75 or so. Its name, the company name is Sense Innovations, sorry, ESS1. That means it has only one speaker or the one sound kit, but I heard from the reviews this is pretty loud and that has amazing quality of sounds. So I'm gonna unbox it right now. Okay, and let's see what it comes with. For $75, I hope it better be amazing. Alright, here we got the cover. There's a little hole in there, but however, second engine looks amazing. And we got the instructions right here, and then yeah, some double tape if you want to stick it. I'm gonna keep this away and go to the main part. So let's remove this. So many cables. Alright, it looks like this goes to the battery. If you have this kind of a connector for the battery, and one speaker, as I said, it goes around, the voltage is 5 to 26 volts, so I have no problem using 11.1 volts. That's what I'm using for my rally car. And comes with this USB. I have to check what it is, and I have an adapter as well, so that means if I connect this to the battery, I can connect my ESC right here, and this goes right to the speaker. We'll talk about that more in the further in the future. I mean, like once we are doing the video. This is how the blueprint looks like. It shows everything. So this is the PC that you can have. How many? Well, let me see. According to the manual, you can have the alarm systems, horns, like the honks and throttle. Obviously the throttle, this can do like two sounds at the same time. That means honk and throttle. So I have only 2-channel radio. Yeah, 2-channel, I believe. Yeah. Okay, you know what, let's install it before we talk more further. Yeah, so for the ESC connector or the throttle, I have to remove this and take it out, and this dual plug, I would say dual connector, I'm gonna have to plug it in there. Alright, so this is the throttle, that are 2 cables that I installed. I already installed it. Okay, so one cable goes to the throttle, and this other cable, it goes right here, and you guys can see it attached with another cable. That's the horn cable that goes for your channel 3. If the channel 3 is available, that's great. If it is not, then you guys can use just the throttle. So I already turned on the ESC. Okay, so I'm gonna press it, insert it. Okay, and then you guys can hear. Until I don't make any movements, it won't work. So I'm gonna just give a little throttle. That's loud, guys. That's crazy loud. And this is a truck sound. So the truck sound doesn't match with this car. Obviously it's for the trucks, but it is pretty loud. But with the car gearing sound, it might be a little bit lower, so it's better if you buy 2. Obviously it's better than 1. But however, so I have to download this. Let's see if I can download any rally car sound. Alright, so go to sensehobby.com. Sorry, the spellings are wrong, it's this one. Okay, but however, then you go to Sense Innovations right here, you click that, then you get a page like this. It's showing the advertisements, all these products. This is a store, and that is our product. you go to resources right here. When you go to resources, you can choose whatever you like. You can remember, you can actually download two sounds. So either on-road, off-road, truck, car components, aircraft, air components, like, you know, like guns, bombs, like that. So since I have a rally car, I'm going to on-road first. Then when you go to on-road, there are, and I mean off-road, there's great Jeep Grand Cherokee, Pajero Rally. All right, I hope they have a Volkswagen. I don't think so. Short Cross, Buggy, Bluebird Rally, but it has all those engine specs actually. 1.6, 2.0, crawlers. There are so many pages. So 2.0 WRC, I can use that as well. Unfortunately, I don't think I can hear if I click them. So you go to those. All right, then you choose your own sound that you like. So since there's no Volkswagen, I'm going to Toyota Celica GT4 rally car sound. Hopefully it works. So I'm going to download it. All right, then just press download. I'm saying it from the beginning for some people who are getting confused. So it's downloading right now. So that's how the download process is. I'm really sorry guys, unfortunately I could not download because I have some problem with my computer. I had to buy a new laptop actually, but I found the second sound. So let me show you this. So one throttle, that sound is better than the previous one. It gives that old kind of rally sound. Sounds like a little bit truck as well. The previous sound was like a semi truck, but this one is like a truck version, but it still works. It kind of gives that rally vibe as well. I wish my laptop was working, but I did everything right. That's how you download it. The way I showed you, that's how you download it. Unfortunately my computer, sorry about that. So let's install this. This is the sound I have to go with. Don't hate me, I'm so sorry. So when I was driving, I realized when it was reverse, the proportion, I would say the control of the sound is much like smooth than when it going in the front. So what I did was I actually reversed the radio. Okay, I inverted. Okay, so now in order to start it, if I go front, if I go forward, it won't start. But like in order to start the sound system, I have to reverse the throttle. Like, see, now it's starting. But here's the thing, it's not bad. It's just like a little throttle backwards and then it starts. So when I keep it neutral for a few seconds, it stops. Not bad. So the only downside is that, sorry, it's a little bit, it's actually chilly today. It's very cold today. However, so that's the only downside of it. And the other downside I see is I find out that is that it is a little bit less loud than what I expected, I would say. That's it. Otherwise everything is smooth. Unfortunately my computer didn't work, so the rally car sound was not possible today. Sorry about that once again. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and subscribe, like and share with your friends in order to see the full running video on this car.